The original Weber cover didn't just wear out, it slowly disintegrated into a sun-faded, rain-leaking disappointment. So I went on Amazon, filtered out the garbage, and landed on this. The Suphomeware cover. We're going to unbox it, toss it straight on my Performer to see if those perfect fit reviews actually hold up. And spoiler, they kind of do. Once it's on, the fit is solid, snug around the edges without being too tight, with full coverage all the way down to the chrome legs. This thing wraps the grill like it was custom sewn. So yeah, first impressions, it's a legit upgrade. Size-wise, we're looking at 48.5 long, 25.5 wide, 39.8 tall. This easily covers the whole setup. So yeah, if you're replacing your worn-out Weber cover, this one actually fits. I've dropped the Amazon link below if you want to check out the price or pick one up. Hit like if you enjoy watching someone else try things before you waste your money.